Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on VIVO X200. So first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat, especially when you're using fast charging, but we can minimize that. Go into the background apps and close all of them. Then use the original cable and charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, so just close it like I have, leave it on the nightstand and do something else while it is charging. Of course, we can unplug it and take off our phone case. It helps the phone to stay ventilated, and you can charge it in a cool and ventilated area. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.